Good morning. Happy Monday.
Always so nervous about going down this hill with my bag because it's a lot heavier and it throws my balance off a lot. I haven't done that in a while, i.e. successfully. So I'm gonna film frontwards because hopefully I'll find myself crashing. Hopefully I won't find myself crashing is what I meant to say. I do not want to crash. That would suck. Looks like I got the hang of this. I say that like every day because every day it's a surprise whether or not I'll actually like successfully make it. I'm slowing down real fast. So after that tour, I feel like I'm losing my voice. I really hope that doesn't happen. I'd like to keep my voice.
It's like I'm watching.
Round 4, come on.
It's like I'm watching Planet Earth.
No, look at that. Isn't it a little bit late in the season? I've never seen birds.
Because you scared them away as soon as they come here.
Oh, they love the.
You don't like birds?
No. Yep, he's done. That was interesting. Bird! 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 Bird!
I don't have anything for you. What?
Hi Georgia.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm doing fine, thank you, James. How are you doing today?
Good.
Good.
Upcycle some stuff. I'm gonna hopefully find a few plants that I can put in my
Awesome.
condo, and that's about it.
Are you annoyed by this? That everything you do?
Why so glum, Will?
Blue Jays are losing.
Will's making me go grab a PlayStation 2 with him.
You're really a bad person for everyone.
So we're gonna put it on the third floor of the library.
One of the greatest upcycle finds in the world that everyone can enjoy.
Everyone?
Everyone.
That's a lot of people, Will.
Everyone in the whole world.
All of the people?
All of the people. And all of their peers. All of their lights. And their
The chandeliers.
And their sick girl.
Correct. So it is a pretty hot day out today. It's incredibly nice though. Like beautiful day, tons of clouds in the sky, bright blue. It's I love days like this, just that are so, it's so hard to be sad when it looks like this outside. It's just like no matter what, you're sort of like forced to smile, like that fresh air, especially here where we're literally surrounded by this incredible forest, mountainous landscape. It's sort of like, how can you not like it? Yeah, I'm very lucky to be here. And that woman just looked at me so weird as I was talking to my camera. That's one thing I haven't quite gotten used to yet, is people staring at me while I'm vlogging. So, as soon as I saw this, guy, I knew exactly who it was from. It's from this company right there called Full Imprint, and I ordered like cups from them for a music festival once, and now they won't stop sending me pure shit. It's just promo material. They even like, they call me a superstar because I ordered stuff from them once. It's ridiculous. However, I love it because sometimes the free stuff is useful and cool, like sticky notes. And I got like 20 pens in one box once. No idea why. So I'm just gonna keep getting it because of the free stuff. This is actually pretty sweet. Free water bottle. I'm actually going to use that because I may have talked about it in a recent video, but I recently dropped this and smashed the shit out of it. And so, this might be a good temporary alternative. What am I talking about? Free pens. And you know what? Even better? Oh, they write beautifully. I look terrible in sunglasses, but I'm definitely keeping these. So that's it for now. I really got nothing else to say at this current moment. I like these. Like I said, I don't think I look good in them at all. I might modify them to maybe look better. Maybe not. Pretty good day so far. Monday does not disappoint. So there's this show called Prison Break, which I pretty much just love. It's one of my favorite shows. So about 2 weeks ago I decided to start rewatching it, and I'm already on season 3. It's an unhealthy addiction, but I like pretty much, I love like TV and movies and things like that, and I love the way stories are told through sort of like film and stuff like that, and hence why this makes a lot of sense. But it's just, I always find it incredible how fast I go through like a TV series, because I just like love soaking it all in, which is why I'm thankful for Netflix and the fact that they release all of their stuff at once. I shout out Netflix and hope that you give me a corporate sponsorship, but I get like 20 views, so I'll check back in like 2-3 years. Anyways, I think that's probably the end of the vlog. I'm not doing anything really exciting for the rest of the day, so have a good night,